Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Ella and in today's episode, I'm continuing on with the basics of crochet with the first stitch you'll need to learn in any crochet project, and that is the single crochet. Let's get into it. Let's learn how to single crochet. To begin, you need to know how to chain, and if that is something you don't know, I have a video on it that teaches you exactly how to chain. To single crochet, you can use any number of chains. Just remember you need one more for beginning. In this case, I have 11 chains so that I can do 10 single crochets. So once you have your chains, you're going to skip the first stitch from your hook. This one does not count. This loop does not count. This is the first chain, and you're looking for the V's of the chains. So this first V is the first chain, and we're going to skip this one. You're going to insert your hook into the second one. You're going to yarn over, yarn from back to front, like that, and you're going to pull through this loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through both of these loops. And that's your first single crochet. Then you move on to your next chain, which would be this one. So this is the one that we just worked into. This is the next one. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. There we go. Let's do it one more time. Insert. You can always use your finger to help you if your stitches are too tight. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you just continue this all the way to the end of your chain. Now we are at the end of the row. I have one more chain left. We're going to do the exact same thing. Insert, yarn over, pull through 2. To start the next row, you're either going to chain and turn your work or just turn your work. Chaining gives you a little more leg room. I personally don't like to chain. I think it gives a cleaner look, but it really does not matter. And then you're going to insert your hook into the V's through both of them. You can see there's holes right here. Insert them right here so that the V is through your hook. And then you just do the same thing. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And you keep going. And that's it. That's all you need to know to learn your single crochets. I hope that was helpful and that you're motivated to continue your crochet journey. Single crochet, incredible, super easy stitch, and is used in so many different projects. I'll see you next week when we learn how to do the half double crochet. Have fun and keep crocheting.